Good morning, it's day 80. I'm heading out from Kinsman Pond Shelter. About a 5-mile hike for me to get down to a pickup point. And then tomorrow I get picked up by Don and the granddaughter Isabelle and head out for the wedding. But the area here, very nice. I like how the shelter partially enclosed. And if need be, that curtain could go across. This is it. So there were 6 of us in there last night. All 6 are northbounders. And I'm going to put this away. It's been raining off and on, and with the rocks a little bit slippery, I'd rather put my phone away and not chance falling and smashing it. And we just continue with the rock scrambles. Going up and up and up. This is the Lonesome Lake Hut, one of the AMC huts that you pay lots of money to stay in if you decide to do that as you are hiking through the Whites. The advantage of staying in the huts while hiking through the Whites is you don't have to carry anything but lunch and snacks. You don't need your bedding, and you just hike from one hut to the next with your semi-full pack, just not a very full pack. Fish and Jimmy Trail, Kinsman Pond Trail, the campsite 1.9. So that's where we came from. Right, this is what the inside of the hut looks like. They had food left over for breakfast, so there were eggs and oatmeal that were free for us to eat. Then you could buy baked goods if you want.
What do you like about it?
Waterproof. It seems like it.
Continuing down from North Kinsman Mountain, and the Wizard of Ghee and I were just talking about how it's a mind shift of, well, this isn't bad. At the beginning of the hike, this would have been terrible terrain. But after hiking through the Whites and some of the rocky obstacles we've had to overcome, we're like, oh, well, this isn't bad at all. If it's like this the rest of the way down, this is fine. So we're just kind of laughing at that. The mind shift. A bit of a river crossing here, a brook, a stream, whatever you'd like to call it. Came across the rocks right in that section. All right, this is a crossing I just came across. That made sense, a crossing I came across. Anyway, a bunch of bouldering. I'm glad it's not higher water. That would have been pretty treacherous. But be able to boulder hop, just taking the time, getting over it. That's all. Just taking the time. So I'm glad it wasn't raining today because those rocks would have been really slippery. Alright, so we are crossing under Interstate 93. And a little bit up here to the right will be a blue blaze that I will take and walk for a mile. Whoa. A little brook down there. But my hike for the day has been completed. I'm through for the next, I don't know, almost 7 days. Wait for my family to come pick me up and head to the wedding. And then back on trail a week from today. But it wasn't too bad this morning. It was a little rough the first 1.9 miles coming down out of Kinsman Pond Shelter. Very steep decline. But once you got to the shelter there, it wasn't too bad. Or not the shelter, the hut. Lake of the Pond or whatever. I don't know what the name of the hut is, but there was a hut there anyway. That was pretty cool to go inside and see what that looked like. But then the rest of the way down wasn't too bad at all. Leveled out pretty nice. I went to the Flume Gorge Visitor Center. I called Shuttle Connections. They came and picked me up and dropped me off here at the hotel. And then tomorrow morning, Don and Isabelle will be here to pick me up, and we'll just maybe play touristy stuff before we get down to back to Newburgh, New York for the wedding.
There goes Mima and Izzy getting ready to walk on the Appalachian Trail. Yes, they are. Izzy's so excited.
On the Appalachian Trail. You're walking the Appalachian Trail.
Okay. Have fun. Bye. There they go. We'll tape it until they're out of the... Oops, Grandpa's finger got in the way again. Alrighty, off they go. Izzy and Meemaw doing some more of the Appalachian Trail. Alright, we're gonna walk across a little bridge here. Across a little creek. Okay, just follow Meemaw.
Okay. Okay, you gonna go by yourself? You got this.
I'm coming.
We don't have to go any farther because there's going to be a lot of bugs up there. Why?
Okay.
Because there's a lot of bugs up in the woods, and I don't want you to get bitten by.
Here come Meemaw and Izzy back from their little walk on the Appalachian Trail. Now they have to cross the bridge.
There you go. Okay, you're going to go by yourself. Nice and
Yep, here comes Izzy walking by herself. She's such a big girl. Yeah. Ooh. Careful.
good
There
job.
you go.
All right. night, Izzy hiked the Appalachian Trail with me. Up here we're Route 11 and 30 meet in Vermont. We're heading north towards Brownlee Mountain. Now we're heading back to the parking lot.